Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into a common and often confusing error in Unix, Linux, and Bash shell scripting: cannot execute required file not found. This message can stop your scripts in their tracks, leaving you wondering what went wrong. It's frustrating, but it's usually fixable once you understand the root causes. This error doesn't always mean your script file itself is missing. More often, it points to a problem with something your script needs to run, or something it tries to run. Let's break down the main reasons you might encounter this and how to fix them, ensuring your scripts execute smoothly. First, the most frequent culprit is the shebang line, which is the very first line of your script, starting with hashtag. This line tells your system which interpreter to use for the script. For example, hashtag /bin/bash tells the system to use the bash interpreter located at /bin/bash. If the path specified in your shebang is incorrect, or if the interpreter itself isn't installed at that location, you'll get the file not found error. To diagnose this, first check if the interpreter actually exists where your shebang says it should. You can use lsl/bin/bash or which Python 3 if it's a Python script. If the path is wrong, simply edit your script to point to the correct interpreter path. A common best practice for portability is to use hashtag /usr/bin/env bash or hashtag /usr/bin/env python 3. The env command searches your system's path for the specified interpreter, making your script more robust across different systems where the interpreter might be in a slightly different location. Second, the error can arise if your script tries to execute an internal command or external program that isn't found. Your script might be perfectly fine, but inside it, you're calling a command like grep, awk, curl, or a custom utility, and that command either isn't installed on your system or isn't located in any of the directories listed in your system's path environment variable. To troubleshoot this, carefully read your script and identify any commands it calls. For each suspect command, try running which command_name, e.g., which grep. If which doesn't return a path, the command isn't found in your path. You might need to install the missing package, for example, sudo apt install grep on Debian/Ubuntu systems, or sudo yum install grep on Red Hat/CentOS, or ensure its directory is added to your path. Third, incorrect line endings can cause this error, especially if you've created or edited your script on a Windows machine and then tried to run it on Linux. Windows uses carriage return and line feed, CRLF, characters to mark the end of a line, while Linux uses only line feed, LF. When a Linux system sees a shebang like hashtag /bin/bash with a hidden CR character at the end, hashtag /bin/bash_m, it interprets the interpreter path as /bin/bash_m, which doesn't exist, leading to the file not found error. You can fix this by converting the file's line endings. A convenient tool for this is dos2unix, e.g., dos2unix your_script.sh. Alternatively, you can use sed is/$/your_script.sh to remove the carriage return characters from the end of each line directly. In summary, when you encounter the cannot execute required file not found error, first check your shebang line for the correct interpreter path. Then, verify that all commands called within your script are installed and accessible via your system's path. Finally, don't forget to check for Windows-style line endings if your script originated there. By systematically checking these three areas, you'll almost certainly pinpoint and resolve the issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this explanation helps you debug your shell scripts more effectively and saves you from future headaches. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks on Linux, Bash, and programming. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.